The last coupler I'm going to show you guys today is our 15,000 pound Castile coupler. When installing this, you definitely have to make sure that you have it sufficiently tight to the coupler because this is obviously a 15,000 pound trailer. With that type of weight, you want to make sure you have as tight a fit as possible to keep from that rocking motion with all that weight on the trailer. When you install the Basin ball coupling plate to this particular coupler, you want to make sure the lip is facing the trailer downward and the round end of your plate facing outward, aligned with the coupler. So when installing our 2-inch ball and base with our coupling plate, bring your locking mechanism up so you can place your ball in, lock it down, make sure your ball is in place. With this particular plate, you want to make sure the lip is facing the trailer and completely flush with the outer lip of the coupler. One thing that is good about this coupler, because it is heavier, you do have a wider surface underneath, so it's definitely easier to get it flush with your coupler. Again, bring it hand tight up. Make sure your plate is aligned with the coupler. Once you got it hand tight, again, I like to wiggle it, see if there's any space in there. If there is, tighten it a little bit more. Then you use your spanner wrench. Tighten it down as much as you can with the spanner wrench. Once you've tightened it with the spanner wrench, if you have a rubber mallet, I definitely recommend giving it a couple extra whacks, get that extra quarter turn out of it. That goes a long way. Again, make sure you have everything flush. When you're dealing with couplers that are up to 15,000 pounds, you want to make sure you have it as tight as possible. Also keep in mind, as you do those turns, you may or may not have to retighten your collar when you're turning with such a heavy trailer. There you have it. Those are our 4 more common couplers out there. If for some reason our coupling plate doesn't work with your coupler, we do offer our XL mounting bracket. As long as you have 8 inches of space on the tongue of your trailer, you can use the mount bracket and you no longer need the coupler. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please contact our customer support. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Please like and subscribe if you guys like it.